PHIO stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially now. You can see beforehand I saw like a MF, you know, like crazy here, sitting at 356 at the time 4 months ago. Then that did deliver. That was phenomenal. But with this in mind, we finally saw this thing taking the highs out. So in this particular instance, there's actually nothing stopping me from buying more. But does it mean that I'm going to pop out here tomorrow, like 6th of June, and start buying like crazy? Not necessarily. So let me mark up my demand zone here. And only if I do actually see it pulling down and giving me a solid shift, that's when I'm going to look to take it further up. Randomly buying though, mate, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.